Okay, today I'm going to show you this Nikon F50 that I have. Let me see. Okay, so the battery it needs is the 2CR5. I sell these. When you turn it on, you will notice there's a E, like a sort of CPU error. So why it happens is because you need to pair it with an autofocus kind of lens with a microchip on it. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can modify existing ones to have a microchip on it so they can use it with, but in my hand I just got this one, the Nikon F50, and I also got another one, but that one is a zoom lens one. Okay, so if I pair it with this already, then when I turn it on, it will actually it works out. See, you can fire. Let me see if I can show you the compartment. Yeah, okay, so you can see that it works. The conditions. Let me show you the conditions first. Sorry, I forgot. Okay. So this is the front, side, the other side, the bottom, the back, yeah, that's the light. Okay, this is the back, and this is the front. Let me see if I can tune down the light. It's better. Okay, so let me show you the different speeds that it has. I'm not sure why the autofocus doesn't work on this one when I use it with the Yongnuo. I tried with the modern Nikon lens, it also does not work. I'm not sure why. But let me show you again. So I turn on the AF here. Turn on the AF here. And then I on. And then it just fires like that. I'm not sure why is it like this. Yeah, but for my focus it's fine now. Let me see. Okay, what speeds they have? Let's go with the slowest first. Oh, there's a lot of speeds. What is time? Okay, interesting. 30 seconds. It's because it's 30 seconds, so we need to wait. Okay, right. Let's see, 20 seconds. I'm not sure if by loading the film the autofocus will work or not, but yeah, that's all I got for now. Or is it because I put M mode? I'm not sure. Okay. Yeah. Accidentally press the thing. Okay. So like this is 20 seconds again. Waiting. 15. Actually, I'm gonna do 10. Okay, and then let's do 6. Okay, let's do 1.5. Okay, let's do half second. Let's do 1/6. Let's do 1/10. Let's do 1/15. Let's do 1/30. Let's do 1/60. Let's do 1/125. 1/250. 1/500. 1/1000. Maximum is 2000 shutter speed on this one. Yeah, it's too fast for the camera to see. Okay. I can probably like change my sync speed to show it better. Wait, let me see. Okay, let's see if it shows better. Yeah, so you can see like there's a shadow of it. That's how much light it goes in after you put it at 1/2000. Interesting. Okay, so let me change the mode and see if I can get the autofocus to work. I put aperture priority. 1/8. Okay, autofocus. Autofocus. Yeah, still doesn't work. Okay, let me see if I can show you the interface. My light is getting in the way, that's why. Ayo. Let me take away the light. Okay, so this is the interface inside it with the manual focus. I'm able to show you. So like the aperture priority works as you've seen just now. It changes based on the setting lah. So yeah, so there you go. This is the turn on autofocus again. This is a Nikon F50. I'm selling it without the lens, yeah. The lens does not come with the camera. Yep. The battery also is sold separately. It's about 20 plus that I sell. So there you go. Thanks everyone. See you.